Hello, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome to my channel. So I am coming to you with yet another amazing pattern review. You guys, I love this pattern so much. This is my second time doing this pattern, and I can't wait to share it with you because if you do not have this in your pattern collection, you need to make sure that you get it. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. And for everybody on here, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and leave your comment at the bottom here. So, you guys, we are talking about New Look 6581, and we are talking about this set right here. You guys, I love this set so much. This is my second time making it, but it will definitely not be my last. I will show you a photo of when I made this just a few years ago, and it's still like my favorite pant set. It is super easy to sew, super quick to sew, and you guys, it's so wearable. You can wear this to so many different occasions. And not only that, it is like a two-piece because the wrap top is actually a wrap dress, and then you have the pants to go with it. So you do have you A, B, and C, which is A, your longer version of your top here, which is what I made. And it's showing you it in a color, in a printed fabric and also a solid fabric. And then you have view B here, which is showing you in a shorter jacket, which you can always also do, which is what I did the first time I made it. I did not do view B, but I actually just shortened view A to it the length of it was like in between the two. And then you have your elastic waisted pants, you guys. I'm telling you, it is so easy. So in this particular garment, I actually, in the top or the dress, should you say, I sewed up a size, where is it? A size 16, okay? And that was due to the bust measurements. And then in the pants, I sewed up a size 12. So it is very easy to adjust in size if you need to. This is just easy to do. Definitely beginner friendly. So the suggested fabrics for this particular garment is a lightweight double knit, and it's for stretch knits only, interlock or jersey. And as you can see, I made it in a rib knit. And the first time, to be honest with you, that I made this dress in that bluish, that teal color fabric, I had purchased that fabric from Walmart. And it was years and years ago. And at that time, it was purchased by the yardage, I do remember. And that fabric was actually like $1 a yard. And so for the top, you needed like 2 3/8 worth of fabric. And then for the pants, you only need like 1.5 yards or so worth of fabric, depending on the size that you are sewing. So it's not like a ton of fabric that's needed. And remember, this top also doubles as a wrap dress. If I want to wear it without the pants, you definitely can. It becomes like a knee length dress, or if you want to shorten it, you can do that too. Now, the notions that are required is thread, one package, or some wide seam binding, and that is basically for the shoulders, to add some stability into the shoulders so that they don't, get out of shape over time. And then you also need some 1 inch wide elastic, and that is for the pants. And you guys, I mean, there's really not just a whole lot to just tell about this pattern because it is that simple. Another thing that is needed, you do need interfacing for this. That is for basically for your back facing, for your band that goes all the way around the dress. There's not very many pieces that's needed. If you're making the whole set, you're talking about 8 pieces, you guys. Not very many pieces needed at all. There are no pockets in the dress or the pants. So, this is a pocketless outfit unless you want to add your own. I did not, because I just wanted to keep the pattern just the way that it came. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Would I suggest this? Heck yeah. I'm telling you, you guys, New Look 6581 It's super easy. If you have a lot of knits in your stash like I do, this is definitely one to sew up and have you a couple of outfits out of one pattern, a dress and pants, or you can even really several outfits, because you can also pair the knit pants with the top as well, as you can, as you can easily see that for yourself. So, yeah, definitely get this one. These patterns are not on sale like the $1.99 sale all the time at Joann's. They are like every blue moon. However, they are always, I believe, like $3.99. Very, very affordable. The new look patterns are. So this is an oldie but goodie, but definitely one to be had. So if you don't have this one in your stash, be sure to go and grab it. Put it in your stash, grab you a couple of them if you want to, just in case you want to have it, in case they ever do away with it. They have had this for a while. And not only me, who really inspired me to make this is Mimi G. And that was years ago when I was going through her blog and saw that set. And that's what made me go and buy this pattern. And here recently, if you follow her, she made another pants set out of this. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. But the funny thing is that I already had this cut out in my box ready to be made. So I guess you could say we're kind of on the same wavelength, but I do have more rib knit. I love the look of this, the way that it came out. I purchased this fabric at Joann's some time ago, and when it was on sale, I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I remember that it was on sale and I got quite a bit of it because I knew that I wanted to make this particular set with this rib knit. So I have succeeded in doing what I said that I was gonna do. So yeah, if you enjoyed this look, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have this pattern, and let me know if you don't have this pattern, if you're gonna go grab it, and if you're gonna do this for yourself. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one, you guys. Bye-bye.